everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, Happy New Year to all of you. Yes, Happy New Year. And I really apologize for past 2 weeks I couldn't release any vlog. So here I'm back again, and at the same time I'm very happy that for my kitchen organizing part 2 vlog, it has become a big hit. From that I got a lot of new subscribers and so many views also for that. So I'm very happy and thankful to all my new subscribers. So today I'm back again with a new vlog, and this is the very first vlog in 2018. Today's vlog is all about how I organized my bedside table and how I organized my husband's office desk. So let's have a look into it. So this is how my bedside table or nightstand looks like, and I'm sure you're familiar with this bedside table, which I have shown in my previous Christmas vlog. I'll show you how I organized it. There's nothing much in here, but only those essentials which I require. I just kept it here, and okay, I kept some which is very important for us, that is some bottled water. So I don't need to go all the way to the kitchen, so I can just grab it from here easily. And I used this tray divider to arrange the things in here, and my husband's eye mask I kept it here, candles, and of course the AC remote. And for my son, he loves to hear some bedtime stories before going to bed, so I kept some storybooks here and tissues if required. And in the second drawer I kept some overnight cream and my son's baby lotion and face cream. And I kept a flashlight, which is very important. It's always better to keep a flashlight in your bedside table because you can never know what's going to happen, so it's always better to keep this here. And okay, and I kept a notepad and a pen in case I want to note down something. And for my foot I kept some food cream and socks. I kept it here so that I don't need to grab it from my drawer. So I just kept it, I just rolled it here and kept it in this manner, and that's it. Okay, now I'll show you next how I organized my husband's office desk. Let's jump into that. So this is my husband's office desk. The most important part is that I have sealed all the corner edge of the furnitures which are there in my house for the safety of my child. Always better if you can seal the corner edge of the furniture so that our kids don't get hurt. Okay, and the next thing I mentioned earlier, something which comes with a positive note, I always like to grab one of them. So I bought this cushion for the back support. Okay, so I'll show you how I organized it inside. So again, I use these kind of tray dividers to organize his things, and I arranged his wallet, wristwatches, his car key, everything. I kept it here so that when he goes for work or while he's back from work, he finds it always easy to take things from here. So I arranged it in his office desk itself. And here we kept the AC remote of the visiting hall here so that it becomes easy for us to switch on and switch off if it's kept here. Okay, and this was my son's, it was this container, it was a Play-Doh container, so I didn't throw it. Instead, I just kept it to store our USB here. So it's always, better that, you can use whatever you have at home instead of buying things. So like that. And next, his business cards, I kept in this manner. So if you require them, you can just take it. Okay, and this is a headset organizer. Of course, in a house you'll be having different kinds of headsets, so I don't want it lying around the house, so I kept these headset here. So if required, we can just take it from here. These are like different headset of iPad, mobile, so I kept it here. And stationaries, kept it in this manner. His hard disk and calculator, very rarely he uses it, that's why I kept it inside. And for coins or extra changes, I just kept it this manner. And that's it. Just below the office desk I kept this footrest And that's it. And I forgot to mention, I just stuck this pen here so that in case we are in search of any stationaries, if this pen is there, it's definitely a lifesaver. Okay, so that's it. And that's all about his office desk.